Want to become a BBQ master this summer? Stick around as we reveal 5 mouth-watering recipes, including a special treat for our vegetarian friends. From classic BBQ ribs to smoky grilled chicken and juicy brisket, we'll explore the art of grilling to perfection. We'll even venture into the wonderful world of seafood and vegetables on the grill, with a special recipe for grilled portobello mushrooms. Join us for the next 10 minutes with our soothing female narrator guiding you through each step. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, we have something for everyone. So fire up your grills, put on your aprons, and let's get cooking. For our first recipe, we're diving straight into a BBQ staple tender, fall-off-the-bone ribs. Before we even think about grilling, we need to prepare our ribs. Start by removing the membrane from the back of the ribs. This helps the flavors penetrate deeper. Next, we'll make our signature dry rub. In a bowl, combine paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Don't be afraid to adjust the quantities to your liking. Now, generously massage this flavorful rub all over the ribs, making sure every nook and cranny is covered. Let the ribs rest with the rub for at least an hour, or better yet, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. Now let's talk grilling techniques. Preheat your grill to medium heat. Place the ribs on the grill, meat side down, and cook for about 3 to 4 hours using indirect heat. This means positioning the ribs away from the hottest part of the grill to prevent charring. Maintain a consistent temperature, adding soaked wood chips to the coals for that irresistible smoky flavor. During the last hour of grilling, slather your favorite BBQ sauce over the ribs, allowing it to caramelize and create a beautiful glaze. Once the ribs are cooked through and tender, let them rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Next on our BBQ adventure is a true crowd-pleaser smoky grilled chicken. For this recipe, you can use either bone-in or boneless, skin-on or skinless chicken pieces, depending on your preference. Today, we're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for maximum flavor. Before grilling, we'll brine the chicken in a simple saltwater solution for about 30 minutes. This helps to retain moisture and ensures a juicy and flavorful result. While the chicken is brining, let's create our smoky marinade. In a bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Once the chicken is done brining, pat it dry and generously coat it with the marinade, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Now, preheat your grill to medium heat and grill the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until cooked through. Remember to maintain a consistent temperature and avoid flare-ups. For an extra smoky flavor, you can add soaked wood chips to the coals during grilling. Once the chicken is cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an added touch of freshness. Now, let's move on to a true BBQ masterpiece that requires patience and dedication: beef brisket. Brisket is a tough cut of meat that benefits from a long and slow cooking process, resulting in melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Start by trimming any excess fat from the brisket, leaving about a 1/4 inch of fat for flavor and moisture. Next, we'll create our simple yet flavorful dry rub. In a bowl, combine kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a touch of brown sugar. Generously rub the mixture all over the brisket, ensuring it's evenly coated. Now, preheat your smoker or grill to a low temperature of 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the brisket on the smoker grate, fat side up, and let it smoke for about 10 to 12 hours, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process is crucial for optimal results. During the last few hours of smoking, you can wrap the brisket in butcher paper or aluminum foil to help retain moisture and speed up the cooking process. Once the brisket is cooked through, let it rest for at least an hour before slicing and serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful brisket. For a lighter option that's bursting with flavor, let's grill up some succulent shrimp skewers. Start by peeling and deveining large shrimp, leaving the tails on for presentation. For the marinade, we'll whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, chopped fresh herbs like parsley and oregano, salt, and black pepper. Thread the shrimp onto skewers, alternating with vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini for added color and flavor. Place the skewers in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them, ensuring they're evenly coated. Allow the skewers to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or up to a few hours for maximum flavor. While the shrimp is marinating, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Grill the skewers for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the shrimp turns pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook, as shrimp can become tough quickly. Once cooked, remove the skewers from the grill and serve immediately. These skewers are delicious on their own or paired with a side of rice pilaf or grilled vegetables. For our vegetarian friends, we have a special treat: grilled portobello mushrooms. These meaty mushrooms are packed with flavor and make a fantastic substitute for burgers or steaks. Start by cleaning the portobello mushrooms with a damp cloth or paper towel, removing any dirt or debris. Remove the stems and gently scrape out the gills with a spoon. In a bowl, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, chopped fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary, salt, and black pepper. Place the portobello mushrooms in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them, ensuring they're evenly coated. Allow the mushrooms to marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to a few hours for maximum flavor. Preheat your grill to medium heat and grill the mushrooms for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until they're tender and slightly charred. Serve the grilled portobello mushrooms on buns with your favorite toppings, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, and avocado. These vegetarian delights are sure to impress even the most discerning palate. And there you have it! 5 fantastic BBQ recipes to impress your guests at your next grill party. From classic ribs to smoky chicken, juicy brisket, flavorful shrimp skewers, and even a vegetarian-friendly option, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Remember to experiment with different flavors and techniques to create your own signature BBQ dishes. Grilling is all about having fun, enjoying the outdoors, and creating delicious memories with family and friends. If you loved these recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to Steven Kitchen for more delicious adventures. Happy grilling!